Well, hello, Taurus. Happy Independence Day. How are you? Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling energetic. I'm Tess with God Sent Me Tarot, and this is Grogu. Yeah. And here we are in America, our beautiful America, where we celebrate independence and we celebrate the land of the free and the home of the brave. Yes. And I want to give a special shout out to my family members who have all been in the service. And I have been in the service as well. So, but this one in particular, it's for my sister Terry. And so I'm saying good for you and thank you. We both went into the service. She went into the Air Force. I went to the Navy at the same time. Yeah. I know. And here we are telling the old stories from 40 years ago. So anybody who is out there celebrating your freedom, celebrating your freedom of your mind, your soul, your spirit, and celebrating the Independence Day we celebrate here in America. God bless you. So Taurus, here you go. Here's the strength card. Here's the strength card. Yep. What we're doing a firework. We're doing the fireworks here. Right here in this studio. Yes. Okay, so we're doing one card of each and one rune. And we're going to see what's coming up. Let's see what you got to look forward to. And hope you're feeling good. Our Tauruses are always saying hi. We appreciate it. And here's your card. Oh, Earth. Oh, boundaries. Okay. 4 of Earth. Boundaries. So you got the strength. You got boundaries. Let's find out more about that through the Moonology Tarot cards. Let's find out. Strength and then the boundaries and the 4 of Earth cards in the mythical goddess tarot are similar to the Pentacles. So the 4 of Pentacles, and that means hanging on to things, and the boundaries. You know, like this is mine, that's yours. So let's find out Moonology. Come on now. Come on. Okay. Oh, a personal issue reaches resolution. Wow. There you go. Strength, boundaries, resolution. Ooh, yes. I love seeing that. All right, so now we've got the angels and ancestors. Let's get their input on it. I hope you're having a great weekend, no matter where you are, and I thank you for coming back and seeing us every week, and every Saturday we're here, hanging out and having fun and reading tarot, trying to get messages to you, trying to stimulate you, get your mind moving. All right, so then we got, the High Priest. The High Priest, looking inward, intend and create. Whoa, he's with a hawk. Intend and create. Intend and create. Okay? That's a manifestation card. What you want, you get. If you think about it enough, you will get it. And then here we are, the angel answers. Angel answers. Oh, look at that. Okay, angel answers. Yeah, there's a raven on there. I mean, a raven, a hawk on there. So, Taurus, I am here for you, and I want to tell you, opportunity is coming your way. All right. Woo! Fireworks. Opportunity for Taurus. There we go. I know. All right, that's the angel answers. And then we got the star seed oracles. And we're going to find out. We're going to find out a little bit more. All right. So, find out what we got going on. Karmic relationships. That makes so much sense. I will tell you why. Orion energy, which is great. I love this. That's why I love the summer, because Orion is always up in the sky. I know. Well, you know more than I do. You've been hanging out up there. Yeah. Polarity, soul, I wish. Soul growth, conflict. He just went up there, came back. Ah. All right, karmic relationships, Orion energy, polarity, soul growth, and conflict. Wow. And see, you know, with conflict, we get soul growth. We grow our soul with that. All right, we got one more. This is your favorite part. I know. Your favorite. Come on. Come on. Pull around. You got it? Come on now. You got it? All right. Oh, you want? Okay. I pulled it. All right, I did. Oh, there we are. There we are. Now those need self-reliance, endurance, survival. Taurus, I am doing your readings now since March, and every single reading is surviving. You're coming out of it. You're coming out of it. Hang on. Hang on. All right, you got strength. See, this is the beautiful thing about Taurus, your strength. Fireworks. Strength. You set your boundaries and do it. Set those boundaries, Taurus. Do it. Boundaries. You're a mythical goddess and you're allowed to set your own boundaries. You have earned it, you do it. All right, now personal issue reaches resolution. Okay? That's awesome. Nothing worse than resolution not happening, okay? That makes us worry about things. So then you got the high priest, intend, and create. Now you don't have to worry. You're not worrying anymore. It's off your shoulders. Getting stronger, see? Strength. Strength. First card I pulled. And believe me, I know it's hard to get strength, but you'll get it. And then you create. You create it. You got an opportunity coming up. You got to make the most of it. And then guess what? Your karmic relationships, Orion energy. Look up at Orion. I'm telling you, it gives you energy. And then you've got polarity, soul growth, and conflict. And with any kind of conflicts we have to go through, if you're positive, like Taurus, I know you're positive, you can get over everything. And this is why you got none these need self-reliance, endurance, and survival, okay? Survival. You guys, it starts with strength, your boundaries, opportunities, relationships. You got it going on, Taurus. You got it going on. You hang in there. And next thing you know, freedom, independence. Freedom, independence. That's the best part of you and your soul. Alright, so take some rest and enjoy your weekend. Throw some hot dogs or hamburgers or cheeseburgers on the grill. And celebrate the United States of America. We love it. We love our country. And God bless all of you. I'll see you soon. This is Tess with God Sent Me Tarot, along with Grogu. Happy 4th of July. The fireworks of tarot are before you. You can do it.